I'm Sean Corson, Chief Analytics Officer and co-founder at Daasity. Today I'm going to be talking about UTM parameters and common mistakes that e-commerce sites and marketers make when setting them up. So, 3 common mistakes that people make when setting up UTM parameters. Mistake number 1, just not setting them up. UTM parameters can be time-consuming to set up. It can be hard to track them and be consistent. But not setting them up means that you really can't measure marketing efficiency accurately. So you're not going to know which ads people are clicking through when they come to your site. This essentially makes it impossible for you to know which ads are performing well and which ones aren't. Common mistake number 2, inconsistency. So when you are setting up your UTM parameters for your paid search ads that are running on Google, you want to make sure that you are very consistent in the medium and source and campaign UTM parameters that you're using, as well as the term and content. Inconsistency can mean that you have UTM parameters for Google that are misspelled. Maybe your source parameter is missing an O, or maybe some are capitalized and some aren't. This can again lead to misattribution of visitors and orders, and can lead you to misunderstanding your actual ad efficiency. The third and final common UTM mistake is not tracking your UTM parameters that you've set up. And what I mean by that is not keeping track of them and the ones that you've already set up, which can again lead to inconsistency. So you should have, whether it's a spreadsheet or a table in a database somewhere that can be easily accessed by your marketing people, so they can see, oh, when I set up a UTM for a Google ad, the source that we're using is Google, all lowercase letters. In this way, this makes it much easier and eliminates some of the time-consuming nature of setting up UTM parameters, and it eliminates some of those inconsistencies that you might see. These are just 3 of the common mistakes that we see when people set up UTM parameters. There are many more. Keep in mind that this is one of the most important things you can do to make sure that you understand the efficiency and effectiveness of your ad campaigns.